Hi, Sarah Banas here. I have a super fun video for you today. Let's start with the Fall Goose. I would say if I were purchasing this on Etsy, I would probably be around $20, $18 minimum. I would say nowadays probably even 20, maybe more. And it didn't take me any time to make, and it was super fun to make. Okay, so we are here at xTool Studio. We have the SVG for the duck shelves that are already up. Now I'm going to click right here where it says thickness, and that is the auto measure, and it's going to ask me to select an area. I'm going to select right in the middle. Okay, and now we're going to click process.